Have you wondered how your listing stacks up? Today, I'm doing a listing takedown. Here's the product, the tug of war rope. I'm going to show you how it's doing and what needs to be done to improve it. I'm Jen Gonzalez, and I'm a business development representative at My Amazon Guy. Now, let me show you the things I've noticed, and let's start with this keyword tool. We use Helium 10 Cerebro to pull up the listing and look at keywords. Here, it shows that their keyword distribution could be better. We usually like to see a 1:2 ratio of sponsored keywords to organic keywords. So if there are 700 organic keywords, we recommend having 350 sponsored keywords. They could be advertising for more keywords. Over the course of about 6 months, for every PPC sale that you make, you have the potential to make 3 organic sales. That's why you want to invest in PPC. Now, I sorted the data by search volume. It shows that the most popular keyword is outdoor games with 160,000 search volume. Now, it's cool. They rank organically for outdoor games for adults and family, as well as beach games. And these are relevant keywords. These are good keywords to advertise. Beach games is also good. Here, lawn games for adults and family, they rank 286. In this keyword, there are almost 7,000 people looking for it this month. Let's see what comes up for the search result. Here, look at all these ads. These brands are advertising for this keyword, lawn games for adults and family. And as you can see, it's insufficient to just rank organically because Amazon has plastered all of the ads at the top of the search result. And the listing that we are reviewing ranked 286, so probably they are on page 5 or 6. So this is how big this category is on Amazon. Just for the top 50 listings on one keyword, there is $8.7 million monthly revenue. And it looks to me like there's a lot of market share available to take advantage of. Now back to the listing, it also shows that their organic keywords can be improved. There are thousands of additional keywords that they can index for. You want more organic keywords because they help you get seen on Amazon without spending on ads. Now, I pulled up a competitor listing or listing in their category. So this brand has 4,500 organic keywords. They're advertising for 2,400 keywords. And it's good to see that they have the 1:2 ratio, a healthy ratio that we recommend. It shows that they have more keywords, which means they are also selling more. In this case, we should run a keyword gap analysis. That's where we duplicate the words that have the highest search volume into the listings. You also want to look at least 10 competitors or 10 listings in your category when doing a keyword gap analysis. Finding keywords with high impressions will index your product to more customers. And at My Amazon Guy, we can help grow your organic keywords with our whole SEO strategy. We optimize listings to get them indexed for more keywords and rank organically over time. Now, let's look at the strike zone keywords. There are 38 keywords in ranks 20 through 50, like family reunion games, team building games. These are the keywords that currently don't produce much for this listing. Even though they're on page 1, customers have to scroll down to see them because of their organic rankings. We can help move them up to the top 10 rankings. We focus on strike zone keywords in My Amazon Guy's phase 3 of SEO. Now, back to the listing. I'd like to point out some potential enhancements here, especially in terms of fully optimizing it. First, I see that the title is a bit short. It has 159 characters, and you can actually go, or in this category, they can go up to 200 characters. There's definitely room for more keywords here. There is parentage, which is good. I also see long bullets. Nice. And just remember, you need to flesh out your bullets with more keywords, and you want to update it regularly to improve your organic rankings and also to improve traffic to your listing. Now, let's talk about the photos. The first photo has white background and zoom option. This is good. There are other photos here. I think this photo can be improved, or they can add more text here. And I noticed that, yes, this photo could be confusing, or some people would not be familiar on how to read this measuring device. It could be better to add some text here to make it as an infographic to describe what it means. So there are lifestyle images. That's nice. It shows that they only have 6 photos, and Amazon allows up to 7 photos, or they can also have 6 photos and 1 video. Of course, it's better to have a video, so we recommend adding a video here to help the product stand out. Now, let's talk about A+ content. This part is the brand story, and I actually like their brand story. And you know what? These are links to the other products in their brand and their store, which is good. For the product description, yes, these are the kinds of photos we like to see in the A+ content. We like to see a lot of lifestyle images here, but I noticed that their copies are a bit short. So you can have up to 500 or 500 to 1,000 words of copies in your A+ content, which will help you in effectively indexing for more keywords. And yes, I found it here. There is a description, the one in the product image. I think it is something that they could add, or a short description about this in their product image. And let's look at the alt text. Here, it's a missed SEO opportunity. You know, you can actually add up to 100 characters behind each photo. So here you can add the keywords in your strike zone. Yes, and I'd like to show you fully optimized A+ content that we made. This is the Fruity Natural Soap of Age of Sage, and this is the brand of my Amazon guy founder, Stephen Pope. Now look at the A+ content. So this part is the brand story. And in the product description, there are big photos and long copies. And this is the product grid. This is one of our favorite modules because it's like a free advertisement of the other products in the store or in the brand. And this is the alt text that I mentioned. So you can definitely add more keywords behind the photos. At My Amazon Guy, we are a 300-person full-service agency, and we do everything to help you grow your sales. We grow traffic through PPC and SEO, and we grow conversion rates through design and catalog merchandising. We give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. If you found this video helpful and want me to review your listing next, go to myamazonguy.com/asin and I will shoot a video for you next. Thank you for watching.